Okay, this is day 2 guided practice 8.2a and b. We're going to jump down to page 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we are only going to go through number 9 and number 10. Then you're going to try number 11 and 12 on your own, right? Number 9, which is equivalent to the following expression? Okay, this is a big word here, equivalent. Whenever it says equivalent, we can use Desmos. All right, so I'm going to write Desmos. All right, and we're going to use Desmos for this one, okay? We are going to take 5x minus 1 in parentheses squared, and we are going to type it into Desmos here. 5x minus 1 squared, okay? Notice how it gives us this nice quadratic, okay? We need to see which one is equivalent to the following expression. So I'm going to type in 25x squared plus 1. Okay, is this blue curve the exact same as the red curve? It is not. All right, so this is not the answer. Okay, let's try the next one. 25x squared minus 25x plus 1. 25x squared minus 25x plus 1. Okay, is the green the exact same as the red? It is not. All right, so it's not the answer. Let's try the next one. 25x squared minus 1. All right, 25x squared minus 1. Okay, is this the same as the red? It is not. This is not the answer. So it has to be D, but we're going to try it anyways because maybe I messed up on A, B, or C. 25x squared minus 10x plus 1. Okay. That is the exact same as the red. All right, so we know that D is our answer. Okay, so we plug this one in to get the red here. And then we plugged in D to get the black. Okay, notice how the only one that is the same as the red is the black here. That's how we know that that's the answer. All right, so that's number 9. All we did was type into Desmos, find the answer. Okay, over here on your Desmos check, you can draw the graphs to show which ones are the answers, and then put a thick line here on this one so that we know we got the right answer. All right, there we go. And number 10, look at the model. Which expression completes the model? So we have an x and an x and a 1. This would be an x and an x and a 1. Okay, and this would be an x and a negative 1. Okay, so we need to figure out what is put here to give us the answer. Okay, and it looks like we should have, this is interesting. All right, so we definitely have 2x and we have a 1, but they're trying to mess us up here. All right, we have 2x minus 1 here, which I think is the answer. Okay, but when we look, this is a positive 1, but we have a negative 1 here. All right, so think, is a negative 1 times a positive 1 equal to a positive 1? Is negative 1 times 1 equal to positive 1? No, it's not. That's not true. All right, but negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to a positive 1. So I think that since we have a positive 1 here, this needs to be negative 1 times negative 1 to give us positive 1. So we should actually have 2x minus 1. So our answer should be B. All right, so they're just asking for us to fill in this blank up top here so that when we multiply x minus 1 times something, we'll get this answer. And when we fill in this blank, we get 2x minus 1. Okay, so there's 9 and 10. You're going to try 11 and 12. The hint for 11 and 12, look, this one here, 9, says equivalent. We just typed it into Desmos and saw what matched. 11 here says equivalent, so you should do the same thing. 12 says equals, you should do the same thing. All right, type these in, see what you get.